Hey, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to explain to you the difference between blockchain protocols, what coins and tokens are, and at the end of this video, you'll have a better idea of what cryptocurrencies are and how exactly they run. The difference between protocol and blockchain is simple. Blockchain is the umbrella term, the technology itself. Bitcoin is built on the blockchain network for Bitcoin. Ethereum is built on the blockchain for Ethereum. Bitcoin and Ethereum are protocols on their blockchains. So the blockchain is the technology itself, and Bitcoin is the protocol on that network. A protocol allows the network to communicate. It is a set of rules and regulations and ideas that allow a network to run the way it needs to run or the way you want it to run. If you make your own cryptocurrency, you can set your own protocols and that will make the difference. For example, if you have a piece of pizza and you set different toppings on it, that will change the flavor. It's a similar concept. Every protocol allows the different networks to interact in different ways. So a protocol is basically the settings and attributes of a network, and the blockchain is just the technology itself, the background, the base. Even though every coin and every token is different, there are a few differences that apply to most coins and most tokens. Tokens in general want to create something. Either they're creating a decentralized application or they have a very specific use basis. For example, a very specific utility like creating apps. Whereas coins generally are replacing a currency. The main difference between coins and tokens is also where they lie on the hierarchy. The hierarchy for coins is always at the very bottom. For example, you have the blockchain, you have the protocol, and then you have the coin. Whereas tokens sometimes lie higher up on the protocol itself, or even in the blockchain. So that's the main difference between tokens and coins. A coin generally has less uses and often lies on its own blockchain, meaning its own place. It's not necessarily connected to, for example, Ethereum. Whereas a token is connected directly to something else, and it usually lies on a blockchain, for example, on the Ethereum blockchain. I made this video as simple as possible so as many people as possible could understand. If you have any further questions, make sure you comment down below. If you want me to make a more advanced video explaining more in detail, I can do that as well. Let me know if you want it. Thank you so much for watching and have an incredible day.